Amazon is making headlines again, and this time, it's not about same-day delivery or Alexa. It's about a bold prediction from its CEO, Andy Jassy, that could reshape the company's future, and possibly the future of white-collar jobs as we know them. In a memo to employees, Jassy said that artificial intelligence, or AI, will play a central role in Amazon's strategy moving forward. But here's the part that's grabbing everyone's attention. He said AI will also lead to a smaller corporate workforce in the coming years. Let's break down what's happening and what it could mean for you, for Amazon, and for the global workforce. This all started with an internal memo Jassy sent out on Tuesday. In it, he encouraged employees to be curious about AI. Jassy explained that Amazon expects efficiency gains from using AI across its entire operation. As a result, the company will likely reduce its total corporate workforce over the next few years. He wrote, and I quote, "We will need fewer people doing some of the jobs that are being done today, and more people doing other types of jobs." He continued, "It's hard to know exactly where this nets out over time, but in the next few years, we expect that this will reduce our total corporate workforce as we get efficiency gains from using AI extensively across the company." So this isn't just about trying new tools. This is about a full-scale AI shift that's already underway, and it's going to change the company's employee structure. According to Jassy, Amazon is now using AI in virtually every corner of the company. That includes everything from logistics to marketing, advertising, seller tools, and even the shopping experience itself. Here's one example. Over 500,000 sellers on Amazon's platform are already using the company's AI tools to generate content for their product listings. No more manual descriptions, AI handles that now. Advertisers on Amazon are also taking advantage of the company's growing suite of AI tools to build better, more targeted campaigns. And Jassy doesn't think this is the end, far from it. He says that in the near future, AI agents will handle routine daily tasks like shopping and chores. Many of these agents have yet to be built, he wrote, but make no mistake, they're coming, and coming fast. What's happening at Amazon is part of a much bigger trend. Across the tech industry, companies have been pouring billions into AI development. The reason? Today's AI tools can generate code, text, images, and more, all with minimal instruction. This is a game changer. But as AI becomes more powerful, it's also raising serious concerns, especially about the future of work. Many tech leaders have sounded the alarm that AI could eliminate millions of jobs. And not just in manufacturing or delivery, but in traditional office roles. One of those voices is Dario Amodei, CEO of AI firm Anthropic. In a recent interview with Axios, he warned that AI could wipe out half of all entry-level white-collar jobs. And if that's not worrying enough, Geoffrey Hinton, known in the tech world as the godfather of AI for his pioneering work at Google, issued his own stark warning. In a podcast appearance, Hinton pushed back against the popular argument that AI will simply create new jobs to replace the old ones, the way the internet did in the 1990s. He said, "This is a very different kind of technology. If it can do all mundane human intellectual labor, then what new jobs is it going to create? You'd have to be very skilled to have a job that it couldn't just do." In other words, this isn't a typical tech shift. This could be the first time machines start replacing not just hands, but minds. Let's come back to Amazon. The company is the second largest employer in the US, right behind Walmart. At the end of last year, it had more than 1.5 million employees worldwide. Most of those work in warehouses, delivery, and logistics. But about 350,000 people, more than 1 in 5, are office-based. And according to Jassy's memo, it's these corporate roles that are most at risk. That means marketing analysts, product managers, HR teams, legal teams, roles traditionally considered safe from automation, are now on the chopping block. So what's the takeaway here? Amazon isn't just testing AI, it's deploying it at scale. And its CEO is saying plainly, "We won't need as many people to keep the company running." But he also said that employees who embrace the changes and stay ahead of the curve will be well-positioned at Amazon. That's the real message. Adapt, or risk being left behind. It's a warning, and maybe even a wake-up call, for workers across every industry. What do you think? Will AI really shrink the workforce, or will it just change it? Are we heading for a tech-driven job crisis, or a new era of productivity? Do subscribe, click like, share if you find this video helpful.